Alright guys, today we got Chipotle. So I got a Chipotle burrito. I'm trying their new carne asada inside the burrito. And then they have like this new sauce. It's like ranch mixed with I think the hot sauce, I think. And we're gonna try it out. So see how that tastes. No hot salsa today. Just the ranch salsa. And we're gonna see how that tastes right here, right now. So without further ado. And we also got white rice, black beans, half chicken, and half carne asada. Never had that carne asada before at Chipotle, and we're gonna try that for the first time ever right now. So here we go, big fat burrito, and cheers. There's some good carne asada. I usually do chicken and barbacoa, but today we're switching up because they just brought back carne asada for a limited time. Cheers. And that ranch salsa, delicious, man. Wash it down. One more bite. Cheers. Good solid carne asada. I'm gonna give the carne asada a 8.2 out of 10. Delicious in every category. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.